Guys, so look what we have here. Let's open it up. Okay, so here we have it. Throw that to the side. Look at that. Let's see what we have in here. Guys, I'm gonna do this real quick. Alright, I know there's tons of videos out there. Y'all guys wanna see what you get inside the box. Like who wouldn't, right? So manual, let me see. Let's just dump everything on here so we can just dump it right back in. Okay, here are the servo mounts for the /6 and 5th scale servo. Okay, so here we are. We have it, servo mounts, both of these. This is the top that goes on top of these two. All right. Here's where the ESC will go on. All right. Usually I just throw a strap through here and that hole right down there. Okay. These are the bolts and screws, gasket, and the antenna. All right, let's keep going. Motor mount /39 teeth pinion, just like the EXB. All right. Yeah, K8S EXB because this is the EXB. These are the diaphragm. I call it diaphragm, but this is the thing that goes inside the shocks. Okay. I want to use these, but anyway. Servo saver, hex tool, and what's this? This is to take the clip, that right here, to see that thing, and of course the manuals and stickers. Now into the car. Okay guys, so here we have it. This car, the shell, man, it looks real crazy in the camera. It doesn't justify how it crazy looks in person, but look at this ash and the details over here, there, that it just really pops out when the sun hits it. This is crazy. Tires, real soft yet real plushy. Okay, look like they used a lot of glue just to keep it in place. Okay, the rim, man, that rim looks like it has like really worked into it. It looks so detailed, so clean. All right, you have the thick bar over here, the rods. Forgot how you call that, but yeah, you know what we're talking about. The steering rod as well is all thick. It's just like the K8S EXB, 8mm shaft right there. Okay, everything is a brand new truck. Okay, it has the wheelie bar. All right, same stubby rear bumper right over here compared to the stock Outcast or the RTR ready to run. Okay, don't just bash, blast. Okay, Armor is really emphasizing into that. Now they put it right there on the front. No step, please. Only fingers. I'm gonna throw some lights over here. I'm gonna do a little light kit on it. Let's see. Look at that. All right, let's take the body off. So this is just a pull. Okay, I found that a whole lot easier to pull off compared to the K8S. Way easier. Barely no struggle, if at all. Okay, before I pull it off, I want to show you guys something. It's not really much different from the regular RTR 8S Outcast, but this one, it just looks, that body, man. Okay, I think I need to get another shirt to run this, but yeah. So here we are, just like the K8S EXB. Okay, it's just short on the back over here. On the front, they didn't touch anything. Okay, you got the metal rod here, piece over here, goes straight to the towel in the middle here, from here to here as well, and over here too. Okay, look at those shocks. Okay, this one comes with sway bars. The other comes with sway bar. Everything, it looks pretty much just like the regular stock RTR, except for, I don't know, I find that a little bit I guess thicker or beefier. What else can I say? What else can I say? Look at this. All right. I want to show y'all guys something. So I'm gonna be running it with these batteries right here, 9,000 milliamp hour Z 100C discharge lipo. These batteries, they have done me so great on my K8S EXB. It's retarded. I got 2 sets of these, four batteries, 2 sets. It runs me all day. It lasts me pretty much all afternoon, and I go run with all the models I have. I only run it with these. Now I got these, the short I guess version battery, because you know they only come 2 sizes as far as I'm aware. All right, so the short, large. Yeah, I could get like the 7200 mAh battery, but I just don't. Just for the sake of the battery, and because I'm running Max 5, I just go with the bigger set battery, because that's kind of like it proves the fact that the battery doesn't get hot or sore or anything just because you got a small amount of capacity based on how much the Max 5 pulls out of these batteries. So you want to kind of like overkill the battery. So that's my advice to everybody running these big trucks. Just get the 9,000 or just get 8,000 at the minimum. You know, and then it all depends on the gearing that you're running as well. You know, you don't want to overheat anything in here. But you know, everybody got different reasons and purpose to running their trucks. Okay, I like bashing. I'm not into going real fast. But all right, this is what I'm going to show you guys. So basically, when it comes to stock, all right, this tray. All right, you guys know that this moved backwards, but I wanted to show you guys because I have not seen a single YouTuber talking about it. So I'm gonna claim I'll be the first one. So. Come on, straps. Come on. Alright, stay right there. So the short one, will fit in just fine. Alright. Perfect. Okay. Now, these cases, they have like a little groove, like underneath it, just like that, boom, 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 boom. And you can actually adjust, see that? How much of a space you really want to use on your battery. So you can have pretty tight snug, because, say this battery, is whatever size it is because it has a hard case. Now, a 4S LiPo battery without a hard case, a soft pack, it'll be just a little bit shorter. So that's that. Okay, that's that. Now, to fit this one, you're gonna have to turn this around. You're gonna have to move these 2 sets of screws. This one over here. All right. So let me do that real quick. All right. Just switched it right there, that one to there. Okay, you come over here. All right, you do got to move this piece, you know, that one space back. All right, pull that all the way to the back. This is what you do. You put in the battery in there. Oh, guys, so we ran into a little problem. Now, the big size battery that I use on my EXB, which I'm gonna make a comparison in a second, it won't fit on the tray or with the rear cup, battery cup, whatever. Send it all the way to the back. All right, it barely makes the cut. And I was just thinking, like, why? Obviously, so this mount over here, I think it's pushed back just a little bit further compared to the stock, well, the K8S EXB, the K8S. I'm gonna show you in a second. Here we are. Okay, so that's the K8S Outcast. That's the K8S. Okay, so let me do this real quick while I'm at it right now. So this one comes with a front bumper. The regular K8S does not come with a front bumper like this, just a little stub. That one, okay, look at the A-arm. You guys are gonna have to pause this video. Okay, the steering shaft is the same, right? The rear A-arms um, looks pretty much the same. Okay, they all say the same thing on the bottom. Um, yeah, so here we are. So these are the 3 holes from the back from the battery tray. All right, this one, that one, and that one is for the front one. So look at this distance from here to that one, from here to there. All right, we're gonna measure with my trusty caliper. Okay, make sure it's a 0 all the way down. All right, so we're gonna measure from, come on, come on, come on, come on. All right, I'm just gonna round it off. It's about 38. I 37. And then over here, right, same measure. See the wheel over here? 51. All right. Well, yeah. So you guys can see it's a little longer over here. So this is with this one, you will not have that problem. This one, I guess I'm gonna have to. I don't really wanna, but I'm gonna have to drill holes there, and there, just to push this one just a little bit further forward. Yeah. So, why? Like, like why? Why? All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. So, okay, that one is kind of dirty. So I got the lights already on the rear. I got this installed. I'm gonna throw that on the link of the description so you guys can cop y'all. All right, the battery fits here on ice, just like that, snug. That's it. Not a problem. Okay, Max 5. That's the 800 kV cam motor. Everything's just the same. It's literally everything. It's just for a shorter chassis. This is literally, all right. So Outcast literally that, just shorter from the back over here, and that's about it. This one comes with a wheelie bar. The K8S does not come with a wheelie bar. I had to buy that. That's from the Outcast. Installed that on there. The wheels, guys. I'm just trying to run this as quick as I can so I can make the video shorter. All right, the wheels. These are the stock wheels from the K8S. A whole lot wider than the Outcast. Now, if you ask me, I will tell you that if there's something that makes this truck ugly, it's those wheels. They should have made them wide like those, or at least like those. Not that they bad wheels. It just, they thin wheels, like, they just thin wheels. Look at my my Nero. That's my 6S Nero. All right. You know, if it's gonna be a truck, make it with truck wheels, not something skinny. All right, that's just me. Okay. I would assume most of y'all, if not all of y'all, will agree with me. But yeah, all right, let's keep going. So here you have it. Outcast K8S EXB. Here is my my K8S EXB K8S. Okay, I'm just going right around it so you guys can see. Okay. Look at the difference in the wheel. All right. It's bent because I really hit this truck hard. I got 20 mil on center diff. Okay. 100%. Okay. This truck is new. That's about to end soon. Okay. I'm gonna be installing this one now. Max 5 ESC with this can. This is the that's the motor size with the come on, where you at? Right there. 1100 kV. All right. Wanted to show you guys something too. For you guys that do not know, it comes with this spur. It's already pre-installed. This is the 39 tooth spur. Right, this I can see the actual difference. Okay. Let me see if I can get a little far, zoom in, so you guys can see the different in size. All right. Let's go right back down to close to it. Okay. Um, really great spur. Does not need replacement. Never had to replace one of these. Okay. But yeah, hope you guys like it. Please share on all the medias, Facebook, all your buddies, on WhatsApp and everything. Hit the like button. Please hit the like button. Um, Comment. Please comment down in the comment section. I will read everything. Whatever you guys want to know about my trucks, you guys can hit me up. I'm working on some other videos. I have not posted lately. I got a new drone, so I'm shooting videos with that too. I got my hands a little full. Okay. Little bonus. That's my 6S Nero. I'll put it over here next to the Outcast. Okay, I'm just fixing the rear shocks real quick, but yeah. But yeah, that's it, guys. All right. See you later.